I am super geeked for this tutorial. Oh my goodness. So, hey, welcome. This is Finesse and Manifest. We basically just talk about finessing and manifesting shit and anything that I find in life that is going to make life easier. Tips, tricks, knacks, whatever I share. They're completely random, no order at all. And today we're going to talk about finessing a Photoshop cutout. So if you ever saw those like cool thumbnails of the person cut out, that's what we're going to do today. And yeah, if you're interested in learning more, keep on watching.
Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we are going to do this cutout. And essentially, you can see on the screen that I am recreating the thumbnail that I'm using for this video. And this is super simple. Excuse all of my ratchet pictures of Megan Thee Stallion. I love her. Okay. Anyway, so the photo that I'm using is this photo. And basically, I just plop it on. To put photos into Canva, you just drag and drop. It is so simple. And in order to do what I'm about to show you, which is the GOAT, you're going to have a premium membership. It is $12.50. Y'all, invest in yourself because this will change your life. So basically, all I do is I click effects and I click background remover and I let it do its thing. So it's gonna take, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds for AI to figure shit out. What you wanna make sure that you're doing is that you're choosing and selecting photos that have clear backgrounds. The clearer, the better. Anything that's really, really noisy is gonna get picked up and you're not gonna have the cleanest cutout ever. You want a very clean cutout, and the best way to do that is to make sure you don't have a lot of shit going on. So there we go. Cutout is done. I didn't do shit. I basically freehand this shit. I was talking to y'all the whole time. So yeah, this is done. I'm just going to position and size the way I want. This is a great tool, guys, for people who know what they want to do, but don't really have the technical background to do it. And if you're not trying to go crazy daisy, fancy, dancy, antsy on your cutouts, you want a simple just cutout, this is what you need. Go to Canva. And this is unsponsored, y'all. This is unsponsored. I just love me some Canva. So yeah, that is the end of the tutorial. I am super content with my cutout and this thumbnail. I think it works for what I'm trying to do. So if you liked this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.